Hello everyone, welcome to Aman Babu tutorials, complete solution for your study. Today in this video, we are going to write and learn 10-line essay on Chhath Puja. Number 1. Chhath Puja is an ancient Hindu festival. Number 2. It is mainly celebrated in Bihar, Uttar Pradesh and Nepal. Number 3. The festival thanks the sun god for sustaining life on earth. Number 4. Devotees fast and offer prayers at river banks. Number 5. The main ritual involves offering arghya to the setting and rising sun while standing in water. Number 6. Chhath Puja spends 4 days with different rituals each day. Number 7. Homes are cleaned and traditional food like thekua and kesar are prepared. Number 8. It promotes unity as people come together to celebrate. Number 9. People wear new clothes, go to river bank for worship. Number 10. It symbolizes purity, discipline and gratitude toward nature. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.